Hello guys, welcome back to Subbu Softech. In this video, we will discuss about step-by-step process of end-to-end flow of how to download and install Eclipse IDE software in your Windows operating system, guys. Okay. So first, before downloading Eclipse software, first you have to check the prerequisite, guys. So what is the prerequisite in order to download Eclipse IDE software means? So Java software must be installed in your machine, guys, because Eclipse needs Java software before installing that particular software, guys. So and also we have to use Windows 10 or Windows 11 software, guys. So if you want to check whether the Java software available in your machine or not, just to open the command prompt and type Java space hyphen version, guys. So whenever we are typing this command, if the command prompt gives this result means yes, Java software successfully there in your machine. If the Java software is not available, you have to download from this URL, guys. Since Eclipse need Java software in your machine, guys. So let's jump into download Eclipse installer. Okay, so go to the official Eclipse website here. So this is the official website. So based on your operating system, you have to download that particular installer, guys. So just click on that installer, it will automatically download .ext file, guys. This is downloading process. So after that you have to run that installer. So what are the .ext file you downloaded, just double click on it. So after that, so it will launch that Eclipse software, guys. So you can choose any software. So Eclipse for Java developer, Java AA, so C++, so web. So there are multiple options it will show. So which programming language you are working, that related IDE package you have to choose, guys. After that you have to choose the installation folder. So it is a location, guys, so where the Eclipse should be installed, guys. Okay, default is also fine, there is no problem, guys. Just click on install. So after that it will ask for acceptance license. Just accept the agreement and it will install that related components and it will set up everything, guys. So after that you can launch the Eclipse software, guys. Okay, so once the installation completed successfully, so you have a option called launch. You can just click on that launch button. So whenever it will launch the Eclipse software, it will ask for workspace folder, guys. So where you want to save your project, that is nothing but a workspace folder, right? So by default is also fine, that is not a problem, guys. Okay, after that Eclipse will be open, it is ready for use, guys. If you want to verify the Eclipse versions means just to go to the help menu bar. So about Eclipse IDE, guys, if you want to install any other plugins means you can go to Eclipse Market and under the help menu you can happily download which software you want. This cleanup is optional, guys, so you can delete the installer once the installation completed successfully. Now you are ready, Eclipse is ready in your mission. You can start the development of the project and you can develop the code, guys. This is the process for so how to download the Eclipse software. Let's download this Eclipse software, guys. Yes, so this is the URL you have to visit in order to download this Eclipse software. Just to open the Chrome browser and paste that URL, guys. Okay, it will navigate to download space. If you see here, so it is showing Eclipse downloading option or not. If you click on that downloading, the x86-64 is available or not. Download x86-64. So this is the Eclipse installer you have to download, guys. Just click on it, it will automatically download that particular installer. Just click on download button, guys. Yes, it is displaying thank you for your downloading message or not. That means downloading is in progress. If you see, it is in progress, right? Yes, once it successfully download in your machine, you can install that .ext file just by double click on that particular software, guys. Yes, it is successfully download, right? Just go to the folder, guys, where it is downloaded. Yes, this is the application. Just double click on that .ext file, guys. After that, it will launch Eclipse installer, guys. You can choose any IDE package here. So as a Java developer, you should choose Java EE developer, guys. Yes, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, enterprise, so C, C++, embedded, PHP, Eclipse committers, as like there are multiple things that is available here. So we are choosing Eclipse enterprise guys. See, if you observe here, yes, it is already identified your JVM software, right? Click on install button guys. Yes, it is asking agreement here, just to accept it. After that, it will download require component and it will set up your Eclipse IDE software guys. Yes, installation in still progress, right? If you want to cancel, you can cancel guys. Cancel option is also available here. Yes, so it is successfully installed, right? So just click on launch button. Yes, Eclipse IDE 2025-03. It is the latest one. So on the first launch, it will ask for workspace here. So you can choose the default one, that is also fine. Otherwise, if you want to store your project in one particular folder means you can choose that folder as a workspace guys. Click on launch button guys. Now the Eclipse software is successfully installed in your machine. You can happily work with the Eclipse IDE software guys. This is how the Eclipse software looks like this. Yes, you can minimize unnecessary things. Yeah? Unnecessary tabs you can minimize. If you want to check the Eclipse versions means go to help about Eclipse IDE. If you see version it is showing or not. So this is the how we need to check the version. Okay. If you want to download any plugins means external software means you can go to Eclipse Marketplace. You can install which software you want guys. Now Eclipse software is ready in your machine. You can happily work with Eclipse software in order to develop your any Java application or Spring Boot application or JDBC application, whatever it may be guys. Thank you.